Alright, today we're going to be looking at the LG AC unit with the error code CH02. This is the model number of this particular AC unit. What this error code means is there's a temperature error. So we're going to go ahead and replace that with this new temperature sensor. And hopefully this will take care of this problem for us. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove these screws. There's two at the top. There's one here on the side, on both sides, and then you gotta take that clip off, and there's one right there, and then there's one at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and take this apart and show you where to replace it. Alright, so this took me a long time to figure out, but once you get all the screws behind the unit and the two screws in the front down here, there's one here and one here, then you gotta open up this flap, and there's two more screws hidden in there. You gotta take these rubber caps off, and there's a screw down there and a screw down there. You just take those off, and then you can pull this up and take off the front case. Okay, once you have those screws off, then you can literally just pop this off. Let that hang there. Okay, so once you have the cover off, then you're gonna wanna open this panel up, and to do that, you're gonna take out this screw here, and then it'll just open right up for you. Okay, once you have that panel off, then you can see where it says RTPT. You're gonna want to unplug this wire here, and you're gonna need snips to snip these out here, and then you're gonna want to pull it out. This is the sensor for the temp. Take that out, and then this other one you're gonna follow down there to take that out too. To get to the other sensor here, we have this unplugged. And as you follow it, you take that one out, and then this one actually goes underneath, so you're gonna have to take this back cover off now, and we just found that out. So there's a screw down here, screw up there, screw down here, and then if you take this out, there's a screw here and a screw there. Okay, after trying to figure out this back, we cannot get this back off. It just does not want to work for us. So we figured out that the sensor is right behind here, so we just busted that out and it holds it right there. So we took the sensor out, so this is the other sensor that's feeding through the back. We're just gonna pull that through. So you're gonna wanna cut this, and then here's your new sensor that we just ran, and tape that to that, and we're just gonna pull that through, and then just click it on the holder. Alright, so we got the new sensor pulled through. Now we're going to go and take the tape off it and then put the new sensor back on the clip. Okay, so now we got that through. We can pull our new sensor there and put it right back into the hole, if you can see that there. Okay, now that sensor is back in there, we're going to go back to the back and then hook that one up. Okay, so now we got the new sensor pulled through by using the old wire. You're going to push that back, and you're going to see that as a clip down there. You're going to clip that back on where the other one was. Alright, so now that you got those two cables ran, you can just come back here and put it back in there, and you're all set. Alright, so moment of truth. Plugging it in now. And look at that. No error code. There you go, and that's how you fix the CH02 error.